let's do this. X plus 5 equals 8. Okay? So, we always remember if this is an equation, whatever's on this side has to equal whatever's on that side, right? Okay, so we want to also isolate this x. So we want to get it by itself. Okay, so what we want to do to get this x by itself, since we have this 5 here, is a positive 5. So if we take away 5, that's going to make that 0, right? So we're going to say x plus 5 minus 5. And if you do something to one side of the equation, you have to do it to the other side, right? So now we're going to say that's equal to 8 minus 5. Okay? Does everybody understand that thus far? This is algebra that we're doing. Algebra. I don't know what you call it in Ghana. Algebra. Algebra. Okay? All right. So let's work on this side of the equation. X plus 5 minus 5. These two terms we can group. So 5 minus 5 is equal to what? Exactly. So on this side we have x plus 0. Now, on this side, 8 minus 5, what does that equal to? 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to what? Exactly. But I'm glad you're thinking. Even though you said it wrong, that means your brain is thinking. So never also remember this. Just because you say something wrong, it doesn't mean a bad thing. Just like in her case, she said something wrong, but I could clearly see her brain is thinking, and she's trying to understand what's going on. Oftentimes, doing things the wrong way is what actually helps you get things done right. All right. So we know that 8 minus 5 is? 3. Exactly. 3. All right. So we have x plus 0 is the same thing as saying x. Okay. And then you put your equals, and then you have your 3. So anytime you do, right now we solved it as x equals 3. So now we want to check our answer, right? So what we do to check our answer is we plug it back into the equation again. So we take the equation, x plus 5 equals 8. Right? We're saying that x is equal to 3. So we're going to say 3 plus 5 equals 8. So what's 3 plus 5? 8. So 8 equals 8. So that checks out. So our problem is right. Was that your first time doing algebra? So when y'all get in algebra, oh, you're not you? You know to do it? I'm going to give you a problem. You ready? All right, let's go. Let's give her a problem.